As the sun rises, a golden light bathes the African savanna. The air is cool and crisp, and the silence is broken only by the chirping of birds. Acacia trees dot the landscape, their branches reaching up like arms to the sky. This is the kingdom of the giraffe. Look! In the distance, a group of giraffes moves gracefully across the savanna. Their long necks sway like gentle giants. They are a sight to behold, a symbol of Africa's beauty. Their presence adds a touch of magic to this already breathtaking landscape. As the sun climbs higher, the giraffes begin to browse. They use their long necks to reach high into the acacia trees. Their tongues, long and prehensile, delicately pluck leaves from the thorny branches. They are perfectly adapted to their environment. The savanna is a harsh and unforgiving place, but the giraffes have thrived here for millennia. They are a testament to the power of nature's design. They are a reminder that we must cherish and protect our planet's biodiversity. The giraffe is the tallest mammal on Earth. A male giraffe can grow up to 18 feet tall. That's taller than a double-decker bus. Their height is breathtaking. It allows them to see predators from afar. Giraffes are incredibly graceful for their size. They have long, slender legs and a long, thin tail. Their coat is covered in beautiful patterns of brown and orange, each pattern unique, like a human fingerprint. Giraffes are herbivores, which means they eat plants. Their long necks allow them to reach the leaves of the tallest trees. They are particularly fond of acacia trees, a staple in their diet. Giraffes are mostly found in the savannas of Africa. They prefer areas with scattered trees and open grasslands. These areas provide them with food and space to roam. They are a vital part of the savanna ecosystem. Giraffes have several unique features that help them survive in their environment. Their long necks are their most obvious adaptation, but they have other remarkable features too. Giraffes have powerful hearts. Their hearts have to pump blood all the way up to their brains. They also have special valves in their necks. These valves prevent blood from rushing to their heads when they bend down. Giraffes have a long, prehensile tongue. Their tongues can be up to 20 inches long. They use their tongues to strip leaves from branches. Their tongues are also covered in tough papillae. These papillae protect their tongues from thorns. Giraffes have a unique way of walking. They move both legs on the same side of their body at the same time. This is called pacing. Pacing gives giraffes a smooth and efficient gait. It allows them to cover long distances. Giraffes are social animals. They live in loose herds of up to 30 individuals. Female giraffes and their young stay together, while adult males often roam on their own. Giraffes communicate with each other through a variety of sounds. They grunt, snort, and bellow. They also use body language to communicate. For example, they will neck with each other to show dominance. Giraffes have a long lifespan for wild animals. They can live up to 25 years in the wild. However, they face many threats. These threats include habitat loss and poaching. Giraffes are important members of the savanna ecosystem. They help to control the growth of trees and shrubs. Their dung provides nutrients for the soil. They're also a source of food for predators such as lions and leopards. Sadly, giraffes are facing a growing number of threats. The biggest threat is habitat loss. As humans encroach on their territory, giraffes are losing their homes. Poaching is another serious threat. Giraffes are hunted for their meat, hides, and tails. Their tails are considered a status symbol in some cultures. This illegal trade is pushing them closer to the brink. Climate change is also having an impact on giraffes. Droughts are becoming more common in their savanna home. This makes it harder for them to find food and water. The good news is that there are people working hard to protect giraffes. Conservationists are working to create protected areas for giraffes. They're also working to educate people about the importance of giraffe conservation. The future of giraffes depends on us. We must act now to protect these gentle giants. We can all do our part by supporting conservation organizations. We can also reduce our impact on the environment. We can reduce our carbon footprint. We can choose sustainable products. Every little bit helps. Giraffes are a treasure of the natural world. They are a symbol of grace, beauty, and resilience. We must ensure that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at these magnificent creatures. Let us work together to ensure that giraffes continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come.